Okay, question 7b was as follows. Given that C is equal to 2, 1, 1, 1 and D is equal to 1, 2, negative 2, 3. Find the matrix CD. Okay, so how do we multiply matrices? So when they say find the matrix CD, they want you to multiply matrix C by matrix D. Okay, so how do we multiply the matrix? How do we know that this matrix can be multiplied? Okay, we can know that the matrix can these two matrices can be multiplied by determining the number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix. So what I mean is, if two matrices have this property where the first matrix has the same number of columns as the second matrix has in its rows, okay, the number of columns in first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Okay, now once these two matrices have these properties, then we can multiply them. So in this case, these two matrices that are given in our questions, they can be multiplied because the number of columns is equal to the number of rows. So what I'm going to write CD. So CD, that is matrix C, and multiplied by matrix D. Okay, then we write, make sure do not interchange the matrices. Like we're given CD, then you multiply by matrix D by matrix C. The answers, the products will be different. So the way the matrices are given, the way the expression for multiplication is given, that's what you do. When you're multiplying, don't interchange the matrices solely. Even if the law of multiplication it tells that way, even if you interchange numbers, the product will be the same. But with matrices, the product won't be the same. So you make sure you multiply the matrices the way they are. So that is CD. So we're going to write matrix C, which is 2, 1, 1, 1. We close and then multiplied by matrix D, which is 1, 2, negative 2, 3. Okay, now once we have written like that, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open bigger brackets. Then we'll start multiplying. So we're going to multiply these two multiplied by this one. We put them in brackets. 1 multiplied by 2, we also put them in brackets. Now remember, as you can see, in between there is plus sign, so we're going to add the products of this to come up with an element for the first position. Okay, then we have multiplied that. Then we come now to these matrices. When we say 2 multiplied by 2, then 1 multiplied by 3, remember these should be added as well, as you can see the plus sign there. Then we come down here, we say 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 2, again 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 3. Okay, now these are in bigger matrices. Now what we're going to do is we do the actual multiplication. So we start 2 multiplied by 1 will give us 2, plus 1 multiplied by negative 2 will give us negative 2. Then 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4, plus 1 multiplied by 3 will give us 3. Then we come down here, we say 1 multiplied by 1 will give us 1, plus 1 multiplied by 2 give us 1 multiplied by negative 2 will give us negative 2. Then 1 multiplied by 2 will give us 2. 1 multiplied by 3 will give us 3. So we have 2 plus 3 there, close bracket. Then what we need to do now here is we find the sum of these. 2 plus negative 2 will give us 0. 4 plus 3 will give us 7. 1 plus negative, what did I say? Yes, 1 plus negative 2 will give us negative 1. Then 2 plus 3 will give us 5. That is the final matrix for this expression, for this question. So the matrix we have come up with, or the matrix CD, is 0, 7, -1, 5. Okay, if you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section, but that's how you do it.